Hi guys, Love here and welcome back to techbeatph.com. And for this video, we're going to unbox and review mobile phone essentials. So we're going to look at Anker products, we're going to look at the smart cable, we're going to look at the power bank, and we're going to look at the smart charger. So do stick around the video to see if these accessories are right for you.
Now let's unbox the Power Port Speed 5. Pulling the Power Port Speed 5 out of the box and taking out from its plastic container, we can see the documentation. We can see the power cord, which allows us a 220 volt battery or a 110 volt outlet to be plugged into the power port. Some other accessories like a double-sided adhesive tape and an extra Velcro strap. Now for the star of the show, the Power Port Speed 5. As the name implies, there are 5 ports, with 2 having IQ charge with better power delivery and the rest with normal charging. It's very heavy and it feels very solid. Now let's move over to the Power Core Slim 10,000 mAh power bank. Taking the power bank out of the box, we can immediately see here a nice, very handy carrying pouch. The power bank itself, again, it's pretty heavy and it's really substantial. It comes with a micro USB power port cable. The power bank has a nice slim profile, as you can see here. So you can see the power button here. It supports IQ Quickcharge, and you can see it right here. And it's very good power delivery solution. It also comes with a rubber non-slip coating on the bottom, so when you place it, it doesn't slip around. Now let's look at and unbox the PowerLine Plus power cable. So when you remove the power cable out of the box, you can see it really comes with a very classy, very nice carrying case. Opening the carrying case up, we can see here it has a Velcro strap. Looking at the cable more closely, we can see here that it has an excellent build quality, especially around the ports that are usually damaged. So the cable itself is very nice to the feel and has a very nice and very polished weave. we did some real-world testing. First, we tried out together the combination of the power bank and the cable. As you can see here, it's very nice. It delivers smooth power. With the power bank coming in with that PowerIQ fast charging system, it really charged my phone really fast. And with the Anker Power Port Speed 5, I was able to charge multiple devices and also quick charge 2 devices using the PowerIQ power delivery system.
So there you have it, guys, our latest review of the 3 products that we come from Anker. First, we're going to say we give the silver rating for the PowerPort 5 fast charger for its fast charging of the phone. It's really good. It has 5 ports and can charge multiple devices. Next is the slim power bank, which has 10,000 milliamperes. It's really nice, really portable. It has a very good carrying case and also supports IQ fast power delivery. And finally, we also give the silver rating to Anker for its incredible power cable. If you're like me, that got used to products and plugs which are really worn away, especially for iOS, so this is a really good product for you. So all in all the Anker products give you the best value for money. So if you're new to the channel and you like the video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Click that notification bell icon for anything new coming from techbeatph.com.